Hello guys, here Mr.deejay Wolf here. Welcome back to another episode of Soldario, and today we're gonna play this game. I don't know. I just found it on the internet. Okay. Okay. We're gonna put Mr.deejay Wolf, so they can know that's me. Okay. Let's be online. Okay. I'm right here. Then we are dude. Oh damn, bruh. Oh my god, I hate this game like really so hard to play. And you could die. Okay, we're gonna start a little bit. Okay. Yeah. Damn. We just gonna. Oh damn, bruh. Damn. Damn, Daniel. Okay, I died. Wee, what's up, bruh? Oh shoot. 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 Okay, shoot. Bro, they're that little, okay? I was barely that little, and they just fucking killed me. Oh my god, it's so hard these games that I can't like almost defeat it. Ooh, I know I can defeat that guy. Damn, bro. He's so stupid, he just crashed himself. Oh, the blue one is way bigger than the... Oh, that's me. Never mind. Where's his head? Like, anyway, where's his... Damn, bro. It got big in a second. Prankster gangster! But prankster gangster! I wish I could spawn there. Oh my god, I just spawned a little bit far. Let's see if I can get there. Ah! Okay, this is hard as I thought. Oh my god. It lags! Ah! It lags, it lags, it lags. It lags, bruh. It lags. Told you. It lags. Lag, bruh. Lag, bruh. Lag, da, 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 da. This is my easiest trick in the whole entire world. Okay. I hate you, game. I hate you, game. I really am. Oh damn, I got a spawn like really hard here. Ow! Okay, I spawned really close here. You know that that's so easy to find. Camel Edward. Yeah, that's how you play, okay? If someone is surrounded you, that's how you have to play. Oh, yeah. Every time when you damn, that is what the fuck killed one. But I killed myself too. I know. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Thank you, bro. Damn, bro. I charge it quick. I need to charge it quick. Ugh. Where's the charger? Where's the charger? Fuck it. Fake, back in there. Oh, I wish I had a knife. Oh, that's me, though. There we go. No! That was so close. Bungee jump. Wait, let me see. Yes! Okay. We start good. Pop. Beep. Beep. That. Help! Okay, I'm like the boringest YouTuber in the place, like really though. Hey, you better lie. Bruh! Okay, I'm the worst gamer in the world. Hey, what happened? I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry for the thing, and we will, like, it's so boring, these games. Like, oh my god, my ear hurts, but these games are so fun. I recommend it. Okay, who wants me to go to the top one? Like, really top one. They do the what? I know that's Titanic, that means Titanic is so hard. The Titanic part is so hard. Pokemon is here again. And he died. Oh, what's up, bro? What's up? Ditch water. Ah, bro. Killer. Damn. Wait. Hey, I'm glad y'all watched the video. Leave a like and a comment, and we will see you next time. Peace out. Bye bye.